This account I do not have any on, so I don't do it that way. Let's go here to Trader Joe, connect to wallet, connect your wallet, connect, switch to Avalanche, and this will come up, allow this site to add a network, and this will add the exact information you need to add the Avalanche Mainnet new C-chain RPC settings. So you can send AVAX from crypto.com or Binance.com or Coinbase.com to your Metamask wallet. So once you put approve, it'll add it, and now it's going to tell you to switch the network. So switch networks, and now you can interact with Trader Joe, Avalanche.com, etc. that requires the Avalanche network.